What is up? It is Ryan Fox, the Amazing Blind Magician. I just have a quick announcement for you guys. I just wanted to say, you guys are too easy.